Why me? It's a really difficult question we often ask when something challenging or difficult happens in life. We all grapple with this, especially when life takes unexpected turns. As I spend more time in nature, I have come to realize that it offers us some truly profound lessons. Think about the trees and flowers. When the seasons change, they don't complain. They shed their leaves and wait patiently for the right conditions to bloom again. They embrace the cycle of life, accepting that each phase has its purpose. The biggest lesson here is acceptance. We humans often struggle with this concept. We beat ourselves up over situations we can't control, wishing things were different. But nature teaches us that acceptance is essential for growth. As we navigate our own challenges, it's important to remember that we can't always control what happens to us. Instead of fighting against the current, we can learn to flow with it. Yes, life can be challenging, but we have the power to make our journey smoother. Instead of fixating on the obstacles, let's strive to uncover the beauty within these challenges. And this doesn't mean we ignore the difficulties. Rather, it's about embracing them as opportunities for creativity and resilience. I think by shifting our perspective, we can illuminate the path ahead, even in the darkest moments. Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu once said, "Nature doesn't hurry, yet everything is accomplished." This quote beautifully encapsulates the sense of acceptance and patience. Just like nature, we don't need to rush through our struggles. We can take our time to grow and learn, trusting that everything will unfold in its own time. As we move from why me to here I am, we witness the beauty of transformation and growth. Just like the journey of a tree from barren branches to vibrant blossoms. So the next time you find yourself facing a challenge, remember the trees and flowers. Embrace the present moment and allow it to guide you toward a brighter path. Life may not always be in our control, but how we respond to it certainly is. Thank you guys for joining me today. Let's support one another in embracing acceptance and discovering the beauty within our journeys. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.